Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how you can easily and quickly adjust the height of the front hood in case it's not sitting properly, it's not closing nicely, or it's just too high or too low and it's hitting the headlights. This video will apply to 14th generation of F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, these vehicles have these like two knobs, one on each side. You see there is one here and one on the opposite side as well, right here. And if your hood is not sitting low enough, or if it's too high, you can always play with this. So if you turn this knob left or right, you can see this rubber top will go up. How I unscrew it, you see, and the higher I get it, the higher the hood will sit. Same thing, if I turn it in, the hood will sit lower, and this is how you can adjust the height of the hood to match your fenders and this front part of the vehicle as well. So you can play with those two knobs to make it perfect. In case your hood is misaligned, like side to side and things like that, then you have to play with these screws here, and then you have to play with the complete hood. But just the hood height is easily adjustable with these pins. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.